To do a little recap of division just on the board for you to see. Okay, so when we're doing division, we're really using our times table skills, aren't we? Because we're going to be thinking about grouping things equally. Yeah, so for example, if I've got 20 divided by 10, it means I'm divided by 10. The 10 is my divisor. I'm seeing how many 10s make 20. So I use my 10 times table. 1 10's a 10, 2 10's a 20. So I know that 20 divided by 10 equals 2. Because if I think of my fact families, I know that 2 times 10 would be 20. Okay, let's try another one. 16 divided by 2. Using my 2 times table, 1 2's a 2, 2 2's a 4, 3 2's a 6, 4 2's a 8, 5 2's a 10, 6 2's a 12, 7 2's a 14, 8 2's a 16. So if I divided 16 into 2 equal groups, there would be 8 in each group. So if you had 16 sweets and you shared them with your sister or your brother, you should have 8 each. Okay, try another one. Just our divisor this time is going to be 3, so I'll use the 3 times table. 21 divided by 3 equals. So our 3 times table, how many 3's make 21? 1 3's a 3, 2 3's a 6, 3 3's a 9, 4 3's a 12, 5 3's a 15, 6 3's a 18, 7 3's a 21. So in each group, each of the 3 groups, there would be 7. Okay, because 7 add 7 add 7 makes 21. So we did lots of that yesterday and you got all the right answers, those of you who did it, so well done. But what if the number isn't a multiple? Okay, what about if the number, the dividend here, the number we're trying to divide, isn't a multiple of the divisor? This is the divisor. Well, then we have a remainder, we have some left over, don't we? So 22 divided by 3, we're going to use our 3 times table still, and we're going to get as close as we can to 22 without going over. Okay, so 1 3's a 3, 2 3's a 6, 3 3's a 9, 4 3's a 12, 5 3's a 15, 6 3's are 18, 7 3's are 21. 7 3's are 21. So if we had 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, there would be 7 here, 7 here, 7 here. So the answer is 7, but what do we do? That only takes up to 21. How many more do we need? There's 1 more, isn't there? So that we call that the remainder. It's a leftover, remainder of 1. Okay, because we've got as close as we can to 22. 7, because 7 times 3 is 21, and there would be 1 left over. So if you had 22 sweets and you shared them with your brother and your sister, so there was 3 of you, each of you would have 7 and there would be 1 left. Let's try this one. This time our divisor is 5. So we're going to use the 5 times table. Okay, 1 5's a 5, 2 5's a 10, 3 5's a 15. Okay, so the answer is 3. So if we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for our 5 groups, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 5 times 3 is 15, and what would be left over? How many more do we need to get up to 16? The remainder is 1. 17 divided by 2, what's our divisor this time? It's 2, so we're going to use a 2 times table. 1 2's 2, 2 2's a 4, 3 2's a 6, 4 2's are 8, 5 2's a 10, 6 2's a 12, 7 2's a 14, 8 2's are 16. Can we do 9 2's? No, because that would be 18. That's too many, okay? So 8 2's are 16. So 17 divided by 2 is 8. And how many are left over? 8 times 2 is 16, and 1 more would be 17, wouldn't it? So this would be, if we had 2 groups, divider is 2, there would be 8 here and 8 here, that makes 16, and remainder 1, that makes a 17. This time, divisor is 4, so we use the which times table? 4 times table. 1 4 is a 4, 2 4 is 8, 3 4 is a 12, 4 4 is a 16. Can we do 5 4 is a 20? Can we do 6 4s? No, because 6 4s would be 24. That would be too much. So 21 divided by 4 is 5. Let's do our groups again. 1, 2, 3, 4 to check we're right. So here's as divided 4, 5 in each group. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So how many more are there? The leftover remainder 1. Okay, so it's all about using your tables, getting as close as you can to the dividend number at the beginning, and then seeing what's left over, okay? Have a try.